they gotta wait like never raps. Cause with the bullshit it sounds like they never rap in they life. I got a knife that is lyrical and jealous cause of fear and still have to sit. They didn't learn how the money's gonna burn. I think to make rap better. Let's stick together.
Everyone to see that's the why. What the fuck you talking about, man? You gonna get my man steak fame, man. Ranch temporary transfer